We are here. Little bay in Horrocks. It's like a couple k's out. Just made it before the sun's dark. But we've got our little setup right at front in the corner. Nice and tucked away. First impressions, it is really nice. It is not smelly. It looks good. There is only one other car here with a group of people. They're fishing on the beach right now. But it looks really, really good. Our spot's pretty good. Rory's going to be in the corner. He's just bought a new awning. And then me and Clinton are going to go underneath in here. We're going to set the gazebo up just in case it does decide to sprinkle. It looks like it's going to rain tomorrow night. But we should be plenty protected. There is no wind here at the moment. See how that goes. The track in was pretty cruisy. If you've got a four-wheel drive, you'll be fine. Towing a caravan in, it is quite narrow. I probably wouldn't if you don't want pinstripes all along your caravan. A camper trailer would be fine. But if you've got a normal four-wheel drive with a camper trailer or swag or anything, you'll fit fine through here. And it is pretty easy. Just low range and let your tyres down and send it through. Another one you've got to be careful of when driving to Horrocks and at sunset in general, you could not see going up the hill. It will show you the clip of it. It was terrible. We were going like maybe 15 Ks, probably slower than that, just because you could not see at all because the sun was like perfectly over the road and it was just very, very dangerous. So make sure you drive to conditions if you're going to head up here yourself. Good morning. It is a little bit windy. Today is going to be the average day, so as long as we get through today, we are fine. It's a bit cloudy. Tide's way up compared to when we got here. When we got here, it was way out, like out there, and now it's all the way in. Just going to cook some brekkie, and then we're going to go straight into some fishing. Might as well take you around a campsite now that we're in daylight. So we've got my setup. Me and Clinton are underneath here. And like you could fit like literally like 5 or 6 swags in here. This is quite a good spot. And you can have another one in here. And it's all like completely covered. Like it won't stop the rain, but it would do a good job for you. Like we're in a big open patch. We had the fire going there. Around the back here, there's another type of spot. Not as sheltered as like what we are, but just a little area at the back. And then there's another little one over here. So in this one camp spot, you could fit 3 little groups, easy. And then on this section here, like, as long as it's a decent day, you could fit another section here. And then in through here, again, quite a good sheltered spot where you can just pull your car up here like someone has. Pull it in here. And then you can have this with your swags and everything. And this is only the first section. There's another 4 sections. There are also long drop toilets here, which are in quite good condition too. So for $15 a night, this is a nice little spot. We're on the beach, literally 2-second walk from our camp. And it actually looks quite nice out here. Little tiny bit of rain. Breeze is a little bit cold. But we are in the middle of winter. So we're not much better than we can ask for. I reckon later today, as long as the weather holds, might wander up to the rock point up there. See our luck up there as well. Time to relax, catch some fish. That is how quickly shit can happen. That bird got wrapped around one of our lines that was already out there. And we got it. Like it's all okay. It flew off and everything. But if we weren't paying attention, that bird would have been seriously injured. So it's a good note to always do. Pay attention. We've got the first fish of the trip. Clinton's caught it. Doesn't usually happen, if we're being honest. Doesn't catch fish. Little parrotfish. The weapon. Those chompers, it swallowed that hook.
Swallowed the whole thing.
Nice. No luck out there. Just got snagged and snapped off. So got the 200-meter walk back in, and it is getting cold. It is, and it's starting to get a little bit not good weather. So we're gonna walk back in, get this fire going, and get warm. Hey guys, sorry for interrupting this video. I just wanted to let you know that our website is now live. You can head to it here through this QR code, or down below in the description there is a link that will get you straight to our website. Another one, guys, if you're wanting to support us, the best things you can do is liking and subscribing to us. I know it's a cliche thing and everyone says it, but it does help us a lot. It helps us keep creating these videos, and it helps us get out here a lot more. Cheers guys, I'll let you get straight back to this video. See him chilling in there. We've got to be really careful if you pick up shells, because there's probably something living inside of them. Another thing you've got to be really careful of is how slippery it is, and stonefish. That stonefish is not a good story. Slug in this one. So this one, slug doing a poo.
But now it's time for some lunch.
So we're going to try to attempt to move the car with everything on it. And just like that, we have successfully moved the car under the tree.
Oh yeah, that's good in the middle.
Oh yeah. Still just pink, so it's nice and juicy for a steak sandwich. Very good though.
Alright, now we'll toast up our bread.
See if we can get this on camera. Bird here's got like it's got an oyster, and it puts it down, picks it up, and is dropping it on the rocks. Yeah, it's breaking it open. That was pretty cool to see, actually. Getting some oysters. There are heaps and heaps on this rock. Hopefully we'll be able to get a couple. Hopefully. See how we go. Aha!
Oh, yeah.
Is that live?
Yeah, so that there.
That's your oyster meat there.
Oh, yeah. Just eat that. Eat this bit.
Yep. Just eat booger.
Nice. You can tell it is just about to start raining a lot. It looks very average now. It's just starting to sprinkle, but yeah, it doesn't look great. We ended up getting 5 oysters, so we'll probably cook them. Well, not, you don't really cook them. We'll do something with them shortly. And for dinner, we just got normal burgers because we had that steak sandwich for a late lunch. Yeah, we've all moved undercover because of the rain, just in case. Got the cars in as a windbreak, so we'll see how we go. For dinner, it is an easy one because it is cold, wet, and freezing. It's freezing. And because it is so cold, we're going to make some rum hot chocolate just to try and take the edge off a little bit. So we've got water boiling because we don't have a kettle, so we're having to use a pot. I forgot a kettle. And yeah, then we're just going to have burgers. So hot chocolate is, start off with, be as generous as you want or as little as you want. I'm generous. And then I'll go milk. Not too much.
Make sure you spill it everywhere.
Yeah, boy. The main ingredient, Jack's. Again, as much as you feel like. And in the pot to make it hot, you chuck all the water in. And as easy as that, you've got your Jack's hot chocolate. We are out of here. It is shitty weather. We knew it was going to be bad, but not this bad. It was supposed to be like 20 knots overnight, and it hasn't stopped raining, hasn't stopped being windy. It was only supposed to be like 10 mils of rain as well. But it has not stopped anything. It has been an average morning. So we've packed up, we're heading off. A little bit sad, wanted to stay another night, but because tomorrow is supposed to be really good weather, but whether that's still the case or not, who knows? It is Whitecap Central out there. But yeah, we're pretty much going to end the video here. Going to head back up home. So cheers for watching. Hope you've enjoyed, and we'll catch you in the next one.